How to use an AR-15, M4, or M16 in 60 seconds. This is your safety. Usually on the left hand side, up is safe, down is fire for iron sights. This is your front sight. This is your rear sight. Your rear sight usually flips up. I got an optic in for iron sights. The front it's a post, the rear is an aperture. You look through the hole into the center of that, and whatever is what the tip of the front post is what you're going to shoot. To load your magazine, place your round directly and let it go. To load the air, magazine straight up until it clicks. Sometimes you have to tap it, pull the charging handle back and let it go. To fire the rifle, flip the safety down, aim at your target and pull the trigger.